Let us see the one more question here. Construct a triangle whose sides are 5, 6 and as well as 7 centimeters. Then another triangle whose side 7 is to 5 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. Okay, so here is the case. I will take 7 centimeters as a base, and scale factor, if you see 7 by 5, it is less than 1, means again there is a small triangle only will come. So quick we will do it. Okay, this is 7 centimeters. 0 to 7 we have to draw a line. Okay, then we have to draw a 5 centimeters line. So 5 centimeters, make it on the scale. Okay, it is nothing but 5 centimeters, you can see. Then place it at point, one of the point, let us say it is nothing but a A, this is a B. Draw a arc, one arc as like this. Now again place a 6 centimeters with the help of your compass. Okay, and cut that arc. Okay, you see that this is nothing but 6 centimeters. Okay, then you can draw with the help of this, cut this is. If you are not cutting just join it and cut the points. Okay, now draw a triangle as quick as possible. This is what the required triangle. Then draw a AX. Now we have to make greatest part is number is 7. So greatest 7 is there. Sorry, here the scale factor is not less than 7, it is greater than 7. Sorry for that. So draw a line AX. Okay, then make a 7 equal parts should be done. So 7 equal parts should be done, and triangle will come out of this is because greatest we want. So 1, it is 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, it is 6. Yeah, it is done. 7 parts are completed. Name it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and as well as A7. Then what we have to do is what is there in the bottom number 5, with the 5 we have to join the B. So with the 5 we have to join B. So what is the denominator will be, with that number only we will join with B. Now we are getting a bigger triangle, right? So extend the lines of line segments AB and as well as AC. Okay, AB and AC we have to extend it is because we will get outer triangle. Similar triangle is bigger than the actual one. So now draw a ray which is from the A7 to this is, and those should become a parallel. Sir, how can we know it is a parallel or not? If you see these lines which are appearing in the scale, inside the scale and inside lines of scale, if they are parallel, then we are drawing a line is becomes a parallel. So this is nothing but a B dash, and from the B onwards, if you see, so here also see that these lines are parallel, mean this is nothing but your C dash. This is C and this is nothing but C dash. Now we have performed actual construction. So what we are doing is reverse process of construction here actually. So reverse process, in that we have to measure the angles. So whatever angle will be here at A5, that is we have to construct at A7. So same angle we have to construct, but we have to do the angle construction just joining only, because if you will do that also we will get the same thing, right? This process only we will get it, even if you will do the construction also. So cut this arc at this point. Now cut somewhat Yeah, so your construction is completed here. Okay, I hope you understood. My trick is very clear. Thank you. We'll go with one more question now. Yeah, see the next question. Here, construct a triangle, isosceles triangle, whose side is nothing but 8 centimeter, altitude is a 4 centimeter. Okay, then another triangle whose side is a 1 by 2. It's a mixed fraction. First we have to multiply 1 with the 2, then we have to add it is. So whatever multiplication will come. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 by it is denominator 2. It is nothing but 3 by 2 we are getting it. So again it is greater than 1. So we will get the bigger triangle only. So first take a base of 8 centimeters. Okay, then we have to place the altitude. Altitude means height. Don't think that is something. Altitude of a triangle. So we can't place directly. We have to make a construction again here. So this is A and this is a B of length is 8 centimeters. Then take your compass, place it A and take a more than half you take it and draw the one arc bottom and top, so that it makes a perpendicular bisector to the AB. Okay, so this perpendicular bisector join as a dotted line because it is not part of our construction. So put it a dot here and join to this point as a dotted line. Okay, now take your compass and with the help of your scale, put it a dot at this point, and what we have to do is we have to drive an arc at 4 centimeters. Yeah, 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. Now if you join, your triangle is ready. This is the important part here. Constructing a triangle is very important. Once if you know, then you will get the rest of answer with my trick. So triangle is constructed. If you want to see, you can see. This is 5.2 will be. This is also 5.2 only will be. So both will be are of equal sides. 5.7 sorry. This side also there is a 5.7 only. It means this is isosceles triangle. Both sides are equal. Now do the construction. There is a greatest number is in 3 and 2, 3. So draw a acute angle. With that we have to draw a ray, AX ray. And make a number of parts in this is the greatest is 3. So bigger number is there 3. So make a 3 equal parts on the AX. Divide into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and this is nothing but a 3. Okay. Then join with the what is the number is there 1, A1, A2, and this is nothing but A3. Denominator 2 is there. Join from the A2 onwards B. A2 onwards B we will join it is. Then we have to get a bigger triangle. So extend our AB and this is a point C. AC out. AB and AC. If you unable to draw, pause the video and draw it is. So now see that these gap is same, means we are drawing a line also parallel. These are arrows indicating parallel. Next construct the same thing. It's done. Okay. So these two are parallel here. Okay. So now angle construction, don't forget it's not completed. So whatever angle is there at A2, we have to construct it A3. So for that we have to make a arc, put it as like this. Okay. Are you able to see? So this is how we are making it. So now place at this point, see carefully and expand your compass such that it need to touch this point. Now cut this arc. Okay, your angle construction is completed. Next, look at the same thing. Whatever the angle at B will be, that we have to construct at B dash. Okay, first you make the same arc, then put at this point and adjust this is so that it need to touch this point. Okay, it's done. So this is your B dash and this is your C dash. I hope it's done. So this is what your construction is. Construction steps you can write easily. Okay, do you see this? This much easy is a construction. So see the fifth question. Draw a triangle ABC. Side as a BC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5. Angle at B given, that is nothing but 60. So angle given, two sides are given. Can we construct? Absolutely we can construct the triangle. Then construct the triangle whose sides are 3:4. So 3:4 is nothing but scale factor 3 by 4. 4 is bigger, so less than 1. So smaller triangle we will get it now. So first you take B is their angle. So you take any one of the side. AB I am taking a. So AB of length is 5 centimeters. So AB side length as a 5 centimeters here. Then after AB, so if you want to construct any other side, it is become difficult to us. Then what we have to construct here? First we have to given vertex B angle. Middle whatever will be, that is vertex. So I am taking this is A and this is nothing but a B as like previously. So 60 degrees if you want to construct. See my dear student, take a with certain radius your compass and place at B and draw a semicircle or certain length, because with our compass we can able to construct angles like 15 multiples. So in this, if the first with the whatever the radius you drawn the arc, with the same radius we can cut this arc 3 times only in semicircle. So one arc indicates 60 degrees. Okay, over 60 degrees construction is completed. Then what you have to do? You have to draw a line which is passing from B and as well as this point. So you draw like this. Then again there is a BC is there. BC of length how much? BC of length is 6 centimeters. So BC of length 6 centimeters you draw here. 6 centimeters. If you draw, you will get a point. So with the compass you have to cut this is. Okay, 6 centimeters is done, right? Now join from this point onwards. A to C length we got. So this is what our triangle construction. After this is, you know how to do that. So draw a line with a acute angle. This is a AX. Okay. Now what is the bigger number is there? 4. So 4 number of arcs we have to make equal length. Okay, 4 equal number of arcs. One, two, this is 3, and here we go with the 4. Till now we were drawn first triangle, then with the AX ray A1, A2, A3, and that is a A4. So denominator A4 is there. So denominator with that B we have to join. So yes, we were joined. Then we were joined the 3 to the, this is by taking a parallel rays. So parallel we have to make it as like this. So parallelly we have to draw here. then just here also parallel we have to make it. So these are the parallel lines. So this is became a B dash and this is became C dash. See, this is not a straight line. I already told you trick, so that's the reason I'm drawing easily. This is okay. So what we have to do, we have to make angle construction which is present at A4 at A3. So this is what the construction is. So examiner have to think that is you are done the construction by your own, okay, not like this. So for that sake we have to draw as it is. So similar thing we are doing a, so this arc is related to the previous one, same construction we have to make it. Okay, so cut this is at this point with your compass. So this is what your construction is. Okay, I hope you understood this is. Shall we go to the next question? So there is a two more questions are there. So these are the very important questions. So if you are done these 7 questions, you can do any kind of construction easily. 6th question, draw a triangle of ABC. Of side is AB is equals to 7, B angle 45, A angle is 105. So actually they were given BC of length is 7 centimeters and angle given at A only but not given at C. So how to get it? Angle sum property is known to you. So with that we will get. Then you see the scale factor, what is greater than 1 or less than 1. So scale factor 4/3 is greater than 1. So BC length they were given. So BC of 7 centimeters. So angle at B is nothing but 45. First we will construct that is. So how to construct 45? So previously we were done, no, say draw the one semicircle arc. Okay, then with the same radius you have to cut it twice. So it will becomes 60, another arc will becomes 120. So what I am going to do is simply I will make the half of this next 60. So 60 plus 30 will becomes 90. So for that I have to take more than half and we have to draw a line here, arc, and you have to cut it that from here so that it will becomes 90. Sir, why 90 is 90 half will becomes 45. So for this sake we have to draw this 90. So you got a point. Now again make a half of this arc. By taking more than half we have to draw the half. Sir, if you are unable to draw as like me, please pause the video and do the construction first. Next here see, if there is a triangle is there, so this is B and this is C, this is A. So angle at B is 45, we constructed. Angle at A 105 we cannot construct. So by the angle sum property we can calculate A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Then it is 45 plus 105 plus C is equals to 180. Add these two, you will get 150. 150 plus C is equals to 180. Then C is equals to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degrees. So we have to construct at B. See how much? It is nothing but 30 degrees. 30 degrees is easy construction. You to know that is. First make a arc. You will get 60. If you will cut it, you will get 60 degrees. After that, what we are doing? We have to do again perpendicular bisectors. So more than one we have to take when we have to draw the arc. Okay, so this line is belongs to 30. Okay, this is belongs to 45. Now draw the lines where they will meet. That is nothing but your triangle is. So this is what our triangle is. So don't extend this side up to here. just yeah. So this is a 45 and this is nothing but 30, and if protractor you can measure it is okay. So draw an after completion of triangular, draw a line with AX. So what is the greatest? 4 out of we have to make it. So 1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, A4. Then what we have to do from the bottom, what is there? 3. With that we have to join. Okay. Then extend the BC. This is point A. So draw a line which you know how to draw. Parallel we have to draw like this. After drawing from the A4 to the C dash, now again draw the line to the parallel line. Okay, you know that is how to draw. So draw a parallel line like this. Then construct the angles at A4 to this C dash, and at the same time C dash to the B. Construct the angle as you know this procedure is previously. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. Let us go to the next. If you want, you can take a screenshot and you can draw yourself. Okay, my dear students. Next, see the last question, the very important model. Okay, and difficult one even. So draw a right angle triangle. I can't say it's a difficult, it's easy one only. Right angle triangle. Okay, in which side are the lengths is 4 and 5. So other than hypotenuse they are given. Construct the another triangle whose side ratios are 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, it is again greater than 1. So we have to construct a triangle. So and we know that 4, 3 and as well as 5 are the Pythagorean triplets in a right angle triangle. So if you know these two sides, the third is nothing but hypotenuse. So for that we have to take a 4 centimeters as a base. So 4 I am taking as a base. Then after taking 4 centimeters, draw a line which is 3 centimeters. So we can't able to draw directly. So we have to make again construction of 90 degrees. 90 degrees construction already we have seen in the previous question. So first we have to draw a semicircle with the same radius. You cut it once, it will become 60. Again if you cut it, it will become the 120 degrees. So this 120 degrees, whatever their second half, second 30, if you will make it half, then you will get the 90 degrees construction. Do you able to understand? So this is what the 90 degrees is. Up to here 60. This half of 60 is 30. 60 plus 30 is becomes 90. So on this you can place directly 3 centimeters, or you can do it as a first construction. Then you can with your compass you can join it. This is 90 degrees. So then what we have to do? We have to draw a 3 centimeters arc on that line. So 3 centimeters arc I want to make it like this. So 3 centimeters arc, that is nothing but your the another side is. So it is done. It is a 4 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. Then join these two. You will get a 5 centimeters. Do you want to see? You can see exactly 5 centimeters is there, right? So this is what the construction of right angle triangle. Okay. Then after knowing let us say this is A, this is B, and this is nothing but a C. So triangle construction is completed. Now we have to do similar triangle construction. So 5 is the greatest number. Draw an arc of any length and name it as AX. Okay, and make it a number of parts are nothing but 5 equal parts we have to make it. So 1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. A5 is not sufficient, please extend it. If it is not sufficient, extend. So this is what it is. So name it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and this is a A5. Then bottom part, what is there? 3 is there. So with the 3 we have to join it is B and extend it your AB line. So join from the A5 to the AB. See my dear students, so these should be parallel. Which one? The inside lines of scale is parallel to this whatever we are drawing a line, that we will see by these lines. Okay, if these lines are parallel, then this is nothing but a parallel. So give a arrows to indicate it is parallel. Then again draw a parallel line to the BC. How we will see these two lines are parallel? Our drawing line is also parallel to it is. So we are extending such that it will becomes a C dash and this will becomes a B dash. Now construct angle, act like a smart. Okay, as we were done it is. So then so same angle you construct here. So as like this. So this is what it. Okay, so your constructions are completed. These are the 6 different models in triangle question. Okay, with this I'm giving thank you to you all. Okay, if you like this, please like the video and subscribe my channel. This is Hathiram signing off the construction. Thank you. Have a great day.